While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Why not participate in the best plant contest, which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? Children, she got an idea that she could take part in a competition. Contest means a competition which was going to held in her colony a few weeks later, means there were few weeks for that competition. Then and there she decided to participate. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plants and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. Now every day Revati decided to water the plants, and after watering them she sat on the bench near the plants and started playing her violin. This had become her routine work. She was very fond of the raga Mohanam. She played the raga for some time and then went in for her studies. This became her daily routine, students. Every day she played Mohanam raga and while sitting near the plants for some time. After that she went for her studies. Every day Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. One day, as she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plants. Children, every day she used to sit near the plants, observe them, play violin near them, and one day she noticed something moved there. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. She noticed that the stems had bended towards Revati. She wondered why they were moving, as there was no breeze. Breeze means there was no wind, no air, but still the stems moved towards Revati. It struck her as odd. Students, note down the meanings. Struck her as odd, to seem very strange. Contest, competition. Make up her mind, to decide firmly. Fond of, to like. Mohanam Raga, it's a South Indian classical music. So what happened, students? She wondered why the stems were slightly bending towards her. The next evening, too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. That day also there was no breeze. Children, every day now, whenever she played violin by sitting near the plants, they responded her. How? By bending slightly towards her. There was no strong wind, but still the plants gave a response to her. That made her very much surprised. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. She suddenly saw all the plants turn away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Children, other than Raga Mohanam, if she played something different rhythm, the plants did not turn towards her. They went away. The stem went away from Revati. So she understood that they are used to the similar raga Mohanam, and they too liked it very much as Revati liked it. Then she started playing her favorite tune again. The plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. Her surmise became a certainty. Children, the word highlighted over here, surmise, means suppose something is true. Whatever she was thinking, that the plants also had the favorite tune of Mohanam Raga like her. So it became a certainty. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. She kept the knowledge a secret. This was the secret between the balsam plants and Revati. Nobody knew about this secret. Only these two were knowing it. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. Usually, the children tell everything to their moms. But Revati had hidden this secret from her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. Children, the plants had showed growth. They had become taller, healthier. Also, they were flowering. The flowers were big and brightly colored. One of the plants had unusual kind of flower. The flowers were mauve with white strips. Mauve means of a pale purple color. That evening, she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. Children, she had participated in the contest of best plant, and now she was sure about that she is going to win the competition because her plants were growing and the flowers were awesome, and she was sure about to get the prize. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. The next day was all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Children, the day of prize distribution came and Revati was very excited for this day to come. She got up early in the morning, and the first thing she did that day was she went straight to her courtyard to see her plants. After that, what happened in the story we will see in the next video.